Opening statements could begin next week in former President Trump's hush money trial. That's after 7 jurors were selected yesterday, including a teacher, a nurse, and a software engineer. And there was a dramatic moment that played out in court as the judge warned Mr. Trump not to intimidate potential jurors. Meanwhile, after court, Trump made a campaign stop at a bodega to talk about crime. Eyewitness News reporter Phil Taitt following it all outside Trump Tower this morning, where the former president is waking up in New York today. Phil.
Yeah, Mike, the former president will be here at Trump Tower today. That's as no court is scheduled in Lower Manhattan. Meanwhile, jury selections continue. 7 of 12 which have been selected. Still a ways to go for those who we know will be serving. Includes 3 women, a teacher, a software designer at Disney, and an oncology nurse. The 4 men include the 4-person who was born in Ireland and works in sales, 2 attorneys, and an IT consultant. More than 90 people from the original pool were dismissed. The former president has been in court for jury selection, an hours-long process. During the questioning of a potential juror, Trump could be heard muttering. The judge said in the direction of a juror, Judge Juan Merchan told the former president, "I will not tolerate that. I will not have any jurors intimidated in this courtroom." After Trump left court, he made something of a campaign stop at a Hamilton Heights bodega. This bodega is where a clerk fatally stabbed someone during a confrontation in 2022. Trump chose the location to spotlight violent crime in New York and gave his take.
You have to stop crime, and we're going to let the police do their job. They have to be given back their authority. I love this city, and it's gone so bad in the last 3 years, 4 years, and we're going to straighten New York out.
And tonight, Trump is expected to have dinner with the president of Poland. Jury selections resume tomorrow. We're in Midtown. I'm Phil Taitt, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.